welcome to Homeland's Homestead. We're so glad you're here. Now sit right back and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It really helps us to grow and it's always free. Hello folks, welcome to Homeland's Homestead. We're so glad you're here. Now sit right back and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It really helps us to grow and it's always free.
Hello folks, in this episode here what we're going to be doing, now this here was way before the flooding or anything took place. This is just one of our older videos there. And what I'm doing, this is where the corn was planted. And I'm a bush hogging it right now, getting down all the weeds and grass in there. And then I'm going to come through with the rototiller and get it down to bare dirt. And then we're going to sow some cover crop. Hello folks, this is going to be a quick short video. Yesterday evening mowed this down with the bush hog and then took the rototiller, went through there, got it mostly chopped down. We're going to plant our ground cover. This year what we're going to be doing, we're going to plant radishes and also red clover. And Brother Bill last year talked about, over on last day's homesteading, he talked about where he used red clover and it helped pull the nitrogen back up. I hear a little goat hollering. I'm gonna probably have to go check on that in just a minute. But I'll sow this real quick, and then how we're gonna do it, instead of getting a disc out or anything, that's what Grandpa would always do, and I think we showed you that last year when we planted the winter rye. Just got the disc out and just pulled it back and forth. It puts it down. Well, what we'll do, we'll get the side by side out and we'll just run back and forth on that. That'll push the seeds down and hopefully it'll work pretty good. Let me go check on this goat. And I forgot to tell you, the reason we're doing the radishes, we'll pull some radishes and feed the goats, but also these radishes here, tillage radishes, can't remember what was that name of them, Dan, when I looked them up. Daikon or something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
They grow long and it helps bust the soil up. And like we talked about, folks, we got clay soil here. We need to try to get it worked up there where it's a little bit easier. But we'll get this and we'll show you the next step here in just shortly. Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well. Should be the second part of the video. This is our cover crop after it come up. We planted this over top of where the corn was at. Now we planted red clover for nitrogen. My buddy on down Tennessee, Brother Bill, he told me there about planting red clover for the nitrogen, but we also is about a 50-50 ratio. Didn't quite work out like that there. You can see here it ain't quite as much. We planted, I believe the name is Daikon radishes or tillage radishes. They grow pretty long and they help bust the soil up. And like I've told you, we've got clay soil. It needs all the help it can get busting up. But we got a lot of work still to do before spring. Still like the inside the greenhouse over here. Inside I'm going to fix some 2x4s up, fix some boards down along the center to where if it does snow, hopefully it don't break it down. If it does, there's you a video, folks. Definitely next year going to get some silage tarps, and we're going to try to smother the weeds out that way before we ever plant. And still, if you would, keep everybody that had been hit by the storms in your prayers. We've got people from all over the country coming down and helping, besides the people here, neighbors helping neighbors. But just keep everybody in your prayers, folks. Once again, we're fine. Don't worry about us. But no, thought we'd show you here the cover crop after it come up. The radish is a little bit yellow. We've had some couple nights is in the 20s. Let's go over here and see, pull up one. Here's some little bit bigger ones here. I've never ate none of these kind before, folks. They're supposed to be a little bit more milder. This has got a lot of top. Let's see. There we go. See that there? We'll pick a couple of these and try them for supper. Hey, there we go. Maybe having a what's for supper Wednesday. But alrighty, I'm gonna let you go. Hope y'all have a blessed week. Thank yous for watching. Take care. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. I believe it's Carolyn's week this week. We're gonna be doing a few sides and desserts here before Thanksgiving coming up. Alrighty, folks. Take care. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank y'all again for watching.
Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.